everybody, it's your girl TCP Camera. First of all, how's everybody doing today? I had to get that out the way. You know I love you. Sending all my hugs and kisses out there to the people. Second of all, I want you to understand that based off your state, not every state requires every renovation or remodeling to have a permit. Some things are cosmetic. If you own the house, you don't have to have a permit. But before you quote me on that, you must call and verify that with your county before you pull drywall down. I want you to know all the rules before you pull drywall down. That is the perfect place to start when it comes to project management, knowing what you can and cannot do by law, because the last thing you want to do is finish a project and find out that you needed to pull a permit and now everything has to open back up, walls, floors, everything, to have it inspected depending on what you did. So be careful about that. Don't pull any triggers until you know, what do I need to pull a permit on and what don't I need to pull a permit on. Call down to your county or your city permitting department. They will give you the statute. You can ask them directly. They will tell you where. Everything is online. You will look it up. You will read it for yourself and follow those rules. Do not act like Miss Tracy didn't tell you, okay? All right, that's all I had to say. I just want you to be careful out there when you're renovating. I want you to be successful, so I'm making sure that I drop these jewels on you. Have a good day. Bye.